There's a feature on an Android or a Samsung phone that called deep sleep apps. And basically these apps will only work when you open them. Right? And I'm going to show you how to find this. So simple swipe up and go to settings and tap on battery. Then you want to click on background usage limits. And from here you have all those features about sleeping apps, right? Now at the bottom there you have deep sleeping apps. So if you click on that, you will see that I have a bunch of apps there. And basically these apps will not run in the background. They will not work. I will not receive updates. I will not receive notification from these apps unless I open them. So it's important to know about this, and it also helps to save your battery life as well so that you don't get overwhelmed with all those notification updates and so forth from these applications, right? But as well, you need to be aware of this and come here so that you can check those applications in case you have any applications added here that you don't know about. That is important for you to get updates, to get notifications, and also to ensure that these applications are up to date, right? So this is where you can easily come and find your deep sleep apps to see if they're sleeping. But in a nutshell, that's it, guys. This is how you can easily find your deep sleep apps on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.